Have you ever been asked to deliver a complex project in a short period of time? Did you place your tasks into a to-do list or Kanban board, making the team confused around which items to prioritize or what work to complete first? This is where Lomavo comes into play. It takes the best parts of planning tools that you may already be familiar with and transforms them into something better. Lomavo is a project planning tool aimed at improving team understanding and increasing efficiencies. With Lomavo, you can visualize your parallel workflows, better identify potential bottlenecks, and more easily delegate which tasks should be prioritized next. Each Lomavo page is organized into different groups that represent the categories for your project workflow. The tiles each represent a consumable task within your project pipeline. You can also make tasks dependent on one another, just like how you'll need to put on your pants before your belt. This way, you can easily identify which tasks are ready to be worked on at the moment and which set of tasks can be worked on simultaneously. Completing your tasks will open up future tasks to be available, making for smooth progressions throughout your workstream. You can make new project pages under your Pages tab that will be open to the public, making it easy to collaborate with others in a pinch. If you prefer more security around your project, you can start a team. Any pages created under this team will only be accessible by its included members. Improve your project planning pipeline. Start today with Lomavo.